Reference books can give you background knowledge and help you understand the context of a topic. Even if you kind of understand it already, reference books can tell you the important people, laws, events, and controversies of the topic. This helps you get ideas for keywords to search or helps you narrow down your topic. There are many different kinds of reference materials. Most people are familiar with general-purpose encyclopedias like Encyclopedia Britannica. You might also check for subject-specific encyclopedias in your general field, like the Encyclopedia of Education. There are also subject-specific dictionaries, handbooks, and manuals. These are great for definitions and recommendations. For example, if you're writing about a specific psychological condition like dyslexia, you could check the DSM-5 for a precise definition. Remember, these reference items don't necessarily have to be in print. Your library probably offers a lot of encyclopedias, dictionaries, manuals, and more in their ebook collection, or in online reference collections like Credo Reference. Reputable websites like cdc.gov can offer similar background information.